ame danga kwa ge ne gino bero jo adon ko me family borre akena lu one structure me UPC de go ni dago mere ne nyoma don gino jo mene ame gino logo ko pa me kwa ko pa kena gin ke chege beta moy akwa yo gino bero jo adon we lo bare tena te teno ame ti ame no ko yo ke like manu bero ko me chwe chun ko me chiran me ko bu ko family adano kuninang me giti e gordang ti ye Minyang luone Minyang Fred Walter Peo Bera Ruelo Department Uganda People's Congress ija emeli City atia mirne akwan karne mame yo loak kamete lera City kere la lor Minyang niti ubu pengogo ame bera wanching malo o kao tema kere kuir jaramogi ame ti amano peng bara chatan kunkobo ne gini beru UPC itir wa yo loak pe pat me UPC John don po beru UPC o kao tema luak lo ngeno beru FDC o kuir jaramogi luak lo ngeno beru NRM a wanching malo luak lo ngeno beru NRM admit me amegi warning kere kwenya ken ni gino mi bed ma gigi meti mu chato wilgi me okora me moyo chiem but President Museveni enying me UPC di kere channel me communication nere abe party President James Michael Akena enna me kobo te pelo borro wan ko bugina metie na mario ame danga kwa ge ne gino bero jo adon ko me family borre Akena lu one structure me UPC de ko ni dago mere ne nyoma don gino jo mene ame gino logo ko pa me kwa ko pa kena gin ke chege beta moy akwa yo gino bero jo adon we lo bare tena te teno ame ti ame no koyo ke like manu bero ko me chwe chun ko me chiran me ko bu ko family adano kuninang me giti e gordang ti ye akwa ne luang me chaba ching wan bero ura tek kuiru bero me war ndo para bi pe wunyu ko me atata jo mara moyo dek me da me winge ni jona wor ma gino wor bor yu weri dek me wor moyo chente enyi akena President Museveni a chawda no tego oriemo jona rieme borre ni jona te tikera de menap mekelo lwen e UPC da mire mi winge do amok ni a wanching malo o kaw tema kero kuir jaramogi ade menap enati horo gi melwanye kum jima kena kere party me UPC apoy watai.
In the previous monitor paper, the family of Obote, the sons, including the heir, are saying they do not want this woman in their house. What does that mean? So are people from outside there. Please listen, have the brain to think. The Bible talks about Delilah, the Bible talks about Samson. We do not want somebody to confuse Akena. So as UPC, this is our position, that Honorable Beta Mungu should not confuse the family of Obote, should not confuse members of UPC. She's already calling a silent meeting to tell our structures to go and campaign for Museveni. But she's not coming out to do that. Why shouldn't she come out? So as members of UPC, let us come out, let her come out all. But I think she has nowhere to go. She's already trapped, and she's trapped in her own game.
The election concerning Jane Ruth Achimwechero is not about party. It's not about NRM, not about UPC, not about FDC. It is about Lango as of now. It is not about religion. The Catholics, the Pentecostals, Muslims, Anglicans. It is about Lango. You cannot compare Dr. Jane Ruth Achimwechero to any member of parliament in Lango. The achievements he has made here is tangible. It is seen not only in Lira City, but the entire land and the country at large. Look at the 54 health facilities she provided for Lango, across Lango. Look at the machineries now in Lira Regional Referral Hospital. The CT scan is there. We have got the dialysis machine. We have got the blood bank being constructed. We have got all the facilities. And she still has more to bring on board. We want her to bring for us the Heart Institute. We want her to bring for us the Cancer Institute, and many other things. So why do we as Lango sacrifice Dr. Jane Ruth Achimwechero at the moment? when we still need our services. It is about representation in parliament, but also about lobbying for those developmental programs to come to our region. So I am in this case because I talked to all of them. Honorable Obote Moi, I went to her home, spoke to her, convinced her to take another constituency, of which she rejected. I offered my constituency for her, she rejected. Our only main target is to come and uproot Dr. Jane from here. We, the members of UPC, will not stand in the way of development that Honorable Dr. Jane is still providing.
Use foul language that you think can excite people. Well, that may work in some cases, but I think we have arrived at a point in time in our movement forward as the people of Lango, where our people now want service delivery that is not only relevant for this generation, but that will impact several generations to come. And that is why, as we sit here today, we want to ask the people of Lango, one, vote for Yoweri Museveni so that we have the voice and the ability to demand for specific things from the government that we want in Lango.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.